Hello everyone, today I will show you how to duplicate multiple text boxes at once in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor, select File option and select Open, and you can open your file from Browse PDF and anywhere. I have already opened this PDF file. Now click on this Home option and select here Edit Text and click on this down arrow and select Text. Now click on this text box and select and press and hold Ctrl key for your keyboard and click another text box as this job is now selected. Now put your mouse cursor on this border and click right button for your mouse cursor and select arrange, and here you will find this duplicate option. Select and select OK and see this two of these text boxes now duplicated. And this is in this way you can duplicate a specific text boxes from your PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.